What's up, my boy? Welcome back to the RL Talk. Today I'll be telling you about dopamine. What is dopamine and how does it work? And how to use in your storytelling. In order to tell you that, let me share some examples. Let's say you drink wine. You get the drink, you get the snacks, and you get the ice. You sit all together and you start drinking. You have first sip, second, then you have whole glass. Then you feel more relaxed, happy, a short-term pleasure. To create the short-term pleasure, you would like to have more. So you tend to have one more glass, then one more glass, then one more, and you ended up with the bottle. And let me tell you, what is driving you through this process from one sip to one bottle? That's a dopamine. Your mind provokes you to have one more so that the dopamine could be released and you feel more happy. The short-term pleasure, my boy, today you'll be having drink, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, this week, next week, the month, years, and sometime ended up with their lives. But the same kind of hormone you can induce in your public's brain in order to get more attention and create more suspense. Today, I'll be inducing the same hormone in your brain. And as an example, I'll be telling you a story. Yesterday I was coming from gym, and meanwhile, mid of the way, I start screaming like, oh my God, what happened to me? Can somebody help me? Oh my God. Because I saw two pretty girls came out for morning walk, and one of them was staring to me. I was staring to her like this. Suddenly, insect came and entered into my eyes. And I start crying, screaming, just because my eyes were burning. And my gym partner said this: bad habit gives you bad result. And she heard that and she started laughing. She turned herself back and came to me and said this: well, as an example, if I don't tell you what she said to me, is that annoying to you? Yes, it is. My boy, that's a dopamine. And I'm successful to create suspense, to get your focus, also to induce that neurotransmitter in your brain. Use it in your story to get all these things. And subscribe the RL Talk, because I'm a storyteller. I'm going to give you more content about your stories, how you can make it perfect. Subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can hit it. Bye-bye.